Hey, what's up? Serena Apia here from thriftdiving.com, and today I've got a little visitor with me. He's going to introduce himself because it's Take Your Child to Work Day. So,
hi guys.
Tell him who you are.
I'm Ohene.
This is Ohene, and today we're going to be building a fire pit. He wants to be a YouTuber, so guess what? We're going to do a YouTube video. No, we do not have a wheelbarrow. We have a baby stroller. A jogging stroller. Let's unload these. Watch your back. So the first thing we want to do is we want to lay out all the bricks into the placement where we think we want to put them. And then, if it looks good, we can start digging.
Digging?
Now, before you start digging, be sure to call 811 to make sure that you don't hit a buried utility line. And remember to check your county code to make sure where you can place it. In my county, fire pits have to be at least 20 feet from any structure. So that includes patios and fences. And I ended up moving this fire pit back about 5 feet in order to make it compliant with the code. Now, this is a kit that I'm using that you can buy from any big box home improvement store. But if you want an entire materials list, just click the link above or below in the description. Okay, so now that I have everything marked, I took my shovel and just marked along the line, remove these and start digging down 2 inches. I hope I can see my line. Is my line even visible? I probably should have marked the grass. We're gonna be eating good. Some s'mores, yo. Some s'mores. This thing is gonna need a bath by the time we're done.
What?
The stroller. Excuse me, our wheelbarrow. So what do you think of our makeshift wheelbarrow? This is so funny. I've been using this for several years now for gardening. I raised 3 boys in this thing and I didn't want to get rid of it. So it's actually been serving its purpose. So anyway, after we tampered it down, we did about 1.5 to 2 inches of the paver sand. I added a little bit of water to help it make it be a little bit more compacted, and then added another layer and just tampered it a little bit more. Now this is where you want to check for the level. Now this is the part that I actually forgot to do. Stupid me. But by the time I ended up building out the base and checking the level, it was about 1 inch off. It was sloping downhill. I forgot to do that part. So make sure you check that it's level before you start building it. Now, you'll also want to make sure that you've got a small level. Check the level of the bricks, because I noticed some of the bricks were a little bit higher and some were a little bit lower. And so if you try to stack the second layer on there, it's going to be real rocky back and forth. So just use your level and just make sure that the bricks are at least even with each other. And then I started building the second layer, and I found that if there was any parts that were a little rocky, then I would go ahead and just take that off and try to make adjustments. So you'll notice one of those bricks there was a little bit wobbly, so I removed some of the sand from the base, restacked it, made sure that it was level, and then put it on top. And you'll see here where I'm using the level, that is where I discovered, oh my goodness, I'm about 1 inch off. And I decided I was not tearing this thing down in order to make it level. It's a homeowner DIY, so you know what? No one's gonna notice. So this is the point where I was able to use the construction adhesive. I did a couple swirls. And then I just applied some pressure to make sure that each of the bricks were on there nice and tight. And I finished off the second layer. Ohene helped with the mallet, making sure that I, got it in there pretty good. And I did the top layer, the third and final layer, the exact same way, made sure that each of the bricks were nice and level, and just applied the construction adhesive, and that's it. It was pretty easy to do. And then the next thing was that we needed to put the gravel in there. The gravel is so that you'll, of course, have something to burn your wood on, but then the insert is so that the bricks don't, deteriorate over time. So we want to protect them. But overall, it looked really, really good. I was able to call Ohene over, and he helped out for the last final piece. And that night, we were going to have some friends over for marshmallows. Okay, guys, so we are done with this makeover, and I have to tell you, I absolutely love it. We ran into a little bit of problem. The yard slopes a little bit, so the fireplace is off about 1 inch, but you know what? Doesn't matter. This is thrift diving. We don't do everything perfect here, and it still looks good. It feels good, and I'm ready to roast some marshmallows. And Ohene, did you have a good day today? Mm-hmm. Did you learn some things for take your child to work day? Mm-hmm. Okay, well at least he learned some things. At least he learned how to, you want what?
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? Well, that's called like next year. You can do it next year for 3rd grade. Okay guys, so a couple things. Be sure to come back because we have more makeovers with other readers, other viewers who are making over their yards, making over their outdoors for the April Overhaul Makeover Challenge. We're actually going to do a big roundup of everybody's makeovers that participated in the April Overhaul Makeover Challenge. So there's about 40 of us participating. So you'll get to see all of their makeovers, and we will see you next video. And for now, I'm calling it a day. It's been all day. I'm ready to go and get some marshmallows and make some s'mores. All right guys, we'll see you next video. Bye.
Yeah, go on the trim.
Look at your face, oh honey. Wipe your face, dude. You got stuff all on the side. Wait, I think, Quabanat, bring some more, where you at? Bring some more pine.
I already bought one more. Is it recording? Recording?
So I'm gonna stand like this.
Hi guys. Today we're going to be making a fire pit. And the reason I'm here is because it's Bring Your Child to Work Day. So I'm here with Serena Pia on thriftdiving.com. I also have my own YouTube channel. It'll be there in the link of the description. And we're gonna be moving a lot of bricks to make this fire pit. So
we're gonna be moving a lot of bricks to make this fire pit. So good job. There's no rules. This is my channel. I can do whatever I want.
Okay.
And guess what we're gonna do today?
It's recording?
Yes, we're recording.
Okay.
It's harder than you think doing a YouTube video, huh? This is what happens when they don't realize they're being recorded. You know you're being recorded, right?
Oh, okay. So can I take this out?
No, I'm not editing that out.